Hello everyone, how you guys doing? This is your guy Daniel Makoto again. It's always for me a pleasure and honor for me to serve you. As you guys know, I like to talk about mental health, personal development and mindset. Today I want to talk about a topic that is very crucial for your success because I realize that in order for anyone to succeed and achieve greater success in life, you must change who you are inside before you can start reflecting outside. You must change who you are as an individual. You must grow personally before you can actually start blowing away in front of people, outside in your career and all this stuff. And today I want to talk about a topic that is very crucial for everybody to succeed. I attend seminars, I read books, listen to books, I listen to podcasts, I have several coaches, and everyone that I actually study success, and all those success people that I actually study, they all have one thing in common. And that one thing is that they believe in themselves more than anything else, And that is why today I want to talk about believing in yourself. Learning how to believe in yourself will open endless possibility. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be very difficult for you to actually do that. And the reason is simple. Because throughout our life, we have been conditioned to actually doubt ourselves. Okay, so it's a process. We must learn to stop having fears and self-doubt, to actually start building self-esteem and self-confidence, to actually believe in yourself, actually achieve what we want. Everything you have in your life is a result of your belief in yourself and the belief it is possible. So here are 4 essential steps that can actually help you build your self-belief. And if you do it right, you'll be amazed by the result. The number one thing is to believe in yourself. You always have a choice. In order to believe in yourself, you have to believe that what you want is actually possible. Scientists used to believe that the response to information flowing into the brain from the outside world. But right now, instead, we respond to what the brain, based on previous experiences, expect to happen next. In fact, the mind is such a powerful instrument. It can deliver everything that you believe through a positive expectation. So what that means is that everything that you want in life, if you believe, if you expect it to happen, it will actually happen. It is simply a choice. Okay, the choice is yours, and your choice is to discipline your mind to actually believe in everything that you want, everything that you expect in life. The second thing you can do to actually start believing in yourself is to visualize. Visualization. Visualization is a very big key to success. You got to see what you want as you want it, even if you don't have it yet. Don't look at things as they are. Look at things as how they could be in the future. By adding visualization in your daily routine, your daily life, you actually get closer to reaching your goal. Sometimes I realize myself that every time I start thinking about something, often or more, always and always, I actually see the things everywhere. For the times I was looking for a new car, I was like, I need to buy this specific car, and everywhere I was going, everywhere I was going, I was seeing, see the car everywhere. I was like, what is going on? I was visualizing that in my mind, and that's the reason why the universe put it together to me, and I was able to see that everywhere. That is the power of visualization, and you can have access to that if you start believing in yourself. Visualize what you want as what it could be. Another way to actually visualize, is to actually have a visualization board. I have one of my home right now. I can show that to you because it's not completely done yet. So visualization board is basically, it's a board where you put all your dreams and goals, everything that you desire. And every morning you look at them, you believe on that, I will get this shit done, you believe on that. It's called a visualization board. It's a very thing to actually help you start believing in what you do and believe in what you want to achieve. Use it to visualize exactly where you want and what you want in life, and you will boost your self-belief like energy drink. The third thing to actually start believing in yourself is to acting as if, So what do you see yourself in the next 5 years? I want you guys to picture this, okay? Let's close your eyes. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, reaching your goal, your potential, everything that you want. I don't know what you want in your life, but imagine you already achieved that. You already have exactly what you want. What kind of life are you going to live? How will you treat people? Who's going to be your friend? Okay? What kind of charity are you going to give money to? How much are you going to give to your church? Who is gonna be people that you're gonna hang around with? Who's gonna be your cycle? Because everything that you do today is gonna set you up for the future. If you start acting today as you already reach your potential, already reach your goal, you will see how you get closer to it than if you just, one day, if you just say one day it's gonna happen. What is one day? You don't know. So start acting today as the person that you want to be. Okay. I'm not saying to go and buy a luxury, expensive house or like expensive cars. I'm talking about living the life as someone that you want to be, someone that you look up to. Try to be that person right now. Don't fake it. I'm not gonna fake it, but try to be that person. Try to have that cycle. Like I said in the beginning, who are you gonna spend time with? If you can do that today, it's gonna help you build that and gonna get better in the future. Okay. Whatever action you identify that can help you get closer to your goal, start doing them today. Start taking those actions, because that's gonna be the trigger to the kind of success you want in your life. Okay. So if you want to achieve something, you gotta start doing it today. Also, use smart goals. Set goals. Set reaching goals. Don't set long-term goal, but also have short-term goal. That's why I say smart goal. That will actually help you see some result, and that will boost your self-belief, and that will actually help you achieve the bigger goal. Because I always tell people, if you can reach a small goal, it kind of use your mind, your mental toughness, your thinking. It's like, I can do this. But if you start reaching small goal, one step at a time, you will see how you get closer to actually reaching the bigger goal that you want in your life. And that's how you build self-belief. And that's exactly how you actually start achieving things that you want in your life. So the last step is to actually take action toward your goal. Okay. I have noticed where people get stuck. You can have all these dreams, all these things you want to achieve in your life, maybe walking the moon, having, I don't know, whatever you guys want, beautiful mansion. But if you don't take action, on any of your goals, nothing's gonna happen. You can have the biggest belief, believe everything you want is gonna happen. But if you don't take action, it doesn't matter. Okay? So you must take action. And what I realize is that people that don't take action is because they fear rejection. If I do this, what they're gonna think, how do I look? They fear that people are gonna be like, people don't even care what you do, guys. You need to do what you want. Okay, take action. Even a small step, I always say, before you go to bed, what did you do that's gonna help you get closer to your goal? So what did you do today to actually help you achieve the bigger goal, the bigger dreams that you have in your mind? And if you did nothing, you need to understand nothing's gonna happen for the next 5 years. Okay, so to overcome your fear, you gotta actually take action, because fear dies in action. Okay, and it's very important. Remember, when you believe in yourself and believe success is possible for you, and start taking action on that belief, your life will begin to unfold, and you will discover that the universe will guide you and support you to actually reach that potential and reach your goal. Okay, consciously and subconsciously, you begin to see, opportunities that you may have not seen in the past. Okay, that is how the universe works. But the first thing is to believe in yourself. So that was the message for today, guys. Believe in yourself. Of course, I want you guys to let me know in the comment below